everyone, welcome back to another hair video. I am already sick of this color. It was almost black, but it faded to a weird blue very quickly, and I'm kind of just not vibing with the dark hair, so I'm going to lighten it again, and I'm going to do some turquoise and aqua. And I may or may not add a little bit of purple into the tips of the hair. We will see how it turns out. So first off, I'm going to do a bleach bath, and I have 20 volume developer this time because I've heard that it tends to work a little bit better. So I'm going to put some in here. That should be neat. Yeah, because I'm going to be adding some water and shampoo as well, so don't want to do too much. And I got my blonde knee powder. Add like a scoop of that. I'm going to add some of my generic shampoo. Some on the floor. I'm going to add some conditioner that I don't like and my husband doesn't like, so might as well use it up. Alright, then to this, I'm going to add some warm water. And mix it up. I should really get a whisk for this, because this is kind of lumpy. Alright, it's a little bit runnier than I was hoping, so I'm going to add a little bit more of the powder. Alright, it is a bit lumpier and thinner than I was hoping, but I'm not going to wet my hair, so hopefully it will be okay. I definitely need to wear gloves today because I have a lot of little cuts on my fingers. I do not want bleach in my cuts. It's always a good idea to wear them anyway, but especially today. Alright, I'm going to do my best to not make a huge mess. This will work as a bleach bath, and it should lighten my roots. So, oops, I'm already making a mess. Alright, so I'm going to stop talking and focus on not spilling this. And I'll get back to you once I am done. Now I'm going to take this to the bath and invert my hair, so it'll be a little bit easier. So I'll be right back. Alright guys, it's all on. You can already see the red lifting out and turning back to the orange I had previously. And you can see that this is turning green. So I'm going to leave this on for probably about 30 minutes and rinse it out, and I'll get back to you. Alright guys, this is it after bleaching it. Still got a lot of blue and pink in it, but I think it'll be alright. So what I'm going to do is put the darker turquoise on the roots. And I can't decide if I want to just go over this with the teal. The teal? Aqua, not teal. I always mix up all these names. I can't decide if I want to just go over everything with that, or if I want to put the purple over what is already pink. I will decide later. So, let's get started with the turquoise for my roots. This looks very, very blue. I hope it does not turn out that dark. We shall see. Oh yes, I'm also going to do the sides turquoise. I missed a small piece here with the bleach, so Hopefully it covers that up. I'm going to start at the back just to get that over with. I've heard it's best to start at the back or on the bottom or whatever. So let's see. Alright, I think that's good enough for that. And I decided I am going to put purple in the front. So let's do that first. And this is the dollar store hair color that I found out was good last time. Alright, let's see. Should have done this before I dispensed the color. Got some color on my shirt. At least this is my hair dyeing shirt that I do not care about. Just took an old t-shirt and cut the arms off. Or not t-shirt, it was a polo. Alright, that is super messy. I messed that up big time. Oops. Oh well. It's gonna have to do. Can't really see what I'm doing. A little bit more. Alright, time for the aqua. I gotta hurry up. I'm losing motivation to actually put effort into this. Oh, that's a pretty color. Hope it works. Ah. See what I mean? Kind of just grabbing chunks and hoping for the best. Hope I do not regret that. I am almost missing entire chunks because of how messy I'm doing this. Oops. I am so sorry if Brad Mondo or Hair Buddha ever watch this. I know I do not have a technique and this is all over the place. So this turns out decent. It's fine with me. Alright, it's kind of all over the place, but I think that's good enough. I'm going to let this sit in my hair for probably about an hour. I'll rinse it out, dry it, and show you when it's done. Well guys, here's the finished product. I am really happy with how it turned out. This is actually a week later. I got really busy. But yeah, it's nice blue. The roots didn't turn out as dark as I was hoping, and the ends turned out somehow darker than the roots. The packaging looked way different than how it turned out. But anyway, I'm still happy with it. And I had a lot of fun doing it. I even had fun buying the hair dye. Shout out to Elizabeth at the beauty supply store that sold me the hair dye. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.